No, no. First track, we have me, one, two, three. Who we're missing? Anyone on first track? No. Then we have one, two, three, four, five. Yes. And then you have one. You're the first one. Yes. One, two, three, four, five. Yes. Great. It almost worked. Good. So does this one. I'll give this to you because I have a microphone anyway. So I start the clock, and we'll ask the audience when the clock finishes, you start applauding, so they, don't go over. So just that's fine. We got it. We got it. Thank you. Yeah. And now I'll start with myself. So everyone is ready? Okay. So yeah, I'll be the first one in that track, and my topic was agile maturity in Lithuania, or how to measure the things, because as you rose the hands, most of you, I hope, are already using agile. So now the question is boring if you use agile. The question is, if I use agile, how good am I at it? And of course, we want to measure on some scale, so I have a 5-level scale, which it's as an analogy to basketball levels, leagues, so we can easily to understand. So my point is to give you some examples where I think people are in different stages, and giving examples of our outsource project, of our company as Adform, and other cases I see in Lithuania. So to put the lines, put Lithuania in the background, so each of you can think, am I doing 0-level agile, 1-level agile, or 5th-level agile, which I'm totally perfect, and that's where I'm at. And then the steps, what you need to go from one to another level, if you want. Go. Hello. Does it work? Try now. No. So. Well, yeah, but they say in the screen there is a lean develop. Why? So was it organized another way? Ah, damn it. Should we watch a Okay, but then it's a mix. Go. Is Microsoft working?
Hello.
1 1 1 1. It does.
Hello. So
Go.
my name is Walt. My name is Walt Selchonoks. I came from Latvia. So my speak will be about Microsoft transfer to Agile, and we'll take a deeper look at the Team Foundation services, which actually is a collaboration platform for the team. So those guys who want to know what Microsoft thinks about Agile and how me as a developer can gain something from these Team Foundation services can come to the room C, and we'll take a deeper look as a developer to Team Foundation. Thank you.
Let's see what's next on the slides.
I was pretty agile.
Oh, let's see.
Hey guys, hello. Actually, I like lightning talks because if they're good, they're good. If it's bad, it's only 1 minute, right? So, my name is Alexei, and I'm an Agile coach and Scrum consultant and Scrum trainer. And we see lots of companies, maybe about 10 to 15 companies a year. And we see that most of the companies, they suffer from the same kind of problems. So in this talk, I would like you to show an management in evolution. I would like to show how a company evolves from a startup to a big enterprise, and what the challenges typically managers have, and what the typical problems managers have, and how you can actually become a great manager in this company. And the companies, they get older, not always smarter. So in this talk, we will design an agile enterprise, which is also smart. And I think it's a must listen talk for all managers here. So come over there. Thank you.
Vaida. That's a random order. So now you have to go in your badge to see where it is.
Okay. Hi, I'm Vaida, and I would like to talk today why people start using Agile, Scrum methodology, and got disappointed very quickly. The reasons are that this doesn't work for us, or this doesn't work for some particular projects, or it doesn't work so very well as everybody talks. So I would like to share my experience, what problems we have faced in our pilot Agile Scrum project, and how we deal with them. So please come to this very room, and we can talk and discuss and try to answer to your questions. Thank you.
Metrics.
Hello, my name is Mantas. I will talk about metrics development. So it's about metrics and development. Yeah, so I will describe one startup project we had and how we move things forward using metrics. And how we started using metrics in development, not in operations. So, yeah, who is interested in that? I will be in the C room. So,
That's you.
Hi, I'm Antti from Finland, and I'm here with Katja, and we're gonna talk about the way to get your idea to value simplified.
So basically, we were asked to talk about communication between managers and developers and how to improve it. But while thinking about the talk, we decided to change it a little bit and talk more about how to build the right thing and better user experiences. And of course, we will touch communication. And we also will talk about cakes.
Nice. And because we have 21 seconds, I'll add that I met Katja in AIL conference, was it? And actually, she is Lithuanian. She's just living in Finland. So we're getting immigrants back now. That's my job in Lithuania, to get immigrants back to share their experiences. Sorry if you don't like the word immigrant. Okay, then next one, Armand.
Hi, my name is Armand, and I had my first run-in with Agile and with Scrum specifically in not Tieto, Lithuania, but in Tieto, Latvia. And then kind of Scrum was all the rage. So what they did, they said, okay, you come here. Now go away and do Scrum. You come here, go away and do Scrum. So we just tried to gather the knowledge and then we replicated it all over. And so we became really, really efficient in Scrum, which was doing Scrum not necessarily in all the projects where Scrum was applicable. So doing the wrong thing really, really efficiently. And that's when I started thinking that something is going wrong with it, and I tried to apply other methodologies and kind of bundle them up. And so I will tell two war stories from my experience of how I started to like Scrum again and supplement them with other things. Yep.
Hi, my name is Sigis. I will talk about how we chased the quality of code. When you grow from small company, when you have 10 developers, to multinational, multi-location team project, and in that point, some methodologies start failing, and I concentrate on continuous integration, how to keep it in shape. I'll talk about code review, and I'll talk about static code quality.
Dimmers, do we have him here? No, not yet?
I am.
Oh, you are.
Yeah, I am. Hello, I'm not Vladimir, but I'm going to read his message. He is on way. He's coming here. So he will share his practical experience from case of insurance company in Russia. He installed Kanban board as a tool for IT management team to execute IT service management program. So come and learn from project management trainer how to do it with Kanban board instead.
What should I do if I actually want to listen to that presentation? Okay, hello everybody. My name is Mantadas and I am from Efecto, Lithuania. And I won't read that topic because actually I had to come up with that topic like 2 months ago, and you know, world is agile and things are changing. And it is what I'm going to talk about, but not exactly. So actually what I'm going to talk about is I'll tell you a story about the projects we were doing as a subcontractors, of course, and we were trying to do it in a Scrum. And the things which I will concentrate on is the problems we were facing and why actually knowing that it will cause us problems, we still decided to do that and what it led us to. So thanks, come up and listen.
Hello, I'm Gediminas from company Adform. I will talk about continuous delivery, about agile methodology. Some people call it insane methodology. So, but in any way, that methodology helps many people around the world to spend more time on development in place of testing, manual deploying, and so on. So if you are interested in experience, in Adform experience, how we moved from manual testing to automated testing, from manual deployment to automated deployment, so please come and listen. Okay. Thanks.
Hello, I'm not Laimonas Lileka too, but I here to introduce his topic, which says that managing project performance is never an easy thing to do. Laimonas' speech will align to different ways of doing it, agile and traditional one, which is based on the still mostly used project management standard PMBOK. And this session, as Laimonas says, will not learn you about agile and PMBOK metrics. It rather will demonstrate how interpret traditional project metrics, aligning them with agile project metrics.
Hello, I'm David Weir. I'm from the UK. My presentation today is one of a series called Scaling Agility Across the Enterprise. What that essentially means is how can you keep all of your projects agile when you've got an added size complexion? So that might be 20 plus projects, distributed teams, multiple programs, large enterprises. And the focus is going to be around the use of Kanban boards, Scrum boards, and how they can work very well for the team individually, focusing on velocity, focusing on features, but it's making sure you raise the visibility to the wider program. And there's a couple of pitfalls, tips and tricks that we can teach you. And we're going to go through some practical examples, running some live whiteboards here, and we'll see how the issues arise and how we can resolve them at a program or enterprise level. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. I'm Alexei, and I'm supposed to speak about Agile in public procurement project, and I will not speak about Agile in public procurement project. Instead of that, I will speak about Agile public procurement, which is much more interesting and which is much less explored than Agile undercover in public procurement projects. So my focus will be on strategic stuff. I will speak about the need and the possibility to change our public procurement. I will try to prove it is possible, and I will show the strategic roadmap, a high-level roadmap of how is it possible. There will be no technical stuff, there will be no practical stuff, for almost no practical stuff, but I expect to see all the public sector people and all who works with public procurement in my room. Thank you.
And we missed, I think, two. First, for somehow we missed Lasse, so let's give him first. He's not talking about agile public procurement projects. Let's listen to what he's talking about.
Hello, my name is Lasse. I was here a year ago, so great to be here again. Apparently my talk was cancelled or something without telling me because it wasn't on the slides. But anyway, I'll be going next here at 11 in this room, the center room, right? And I'll be talking about product owners. What is a product owner? And what kind of things should you avoid when you're a product owner? What kind of failures do happen when you have a product owner in your company? I will also be talking about how you can become a better product owner. So I will give you some tips on how to develop yourself as a product owner, as well as some tools that you can use to be a better product owner. So see you here at 11.
And we have the last one, the open space part, which is again not the agile procurement. We'll use it for the clock.
Okay. Go. So hey folks, my name is Sergeyus, and for a while I've been talking about various best practices we're doing at Adform, like continuous delivery, unit testing, continuous integration, stuff like this. So this year we decided not to talk and just to start doing practical things. So we're doing open space, and you can see how we are doing it in real life. So we're doing real coding, and you can join us as well. If you know or heard about Node.js, about GitHub, and other hot stuff, you can join as well, as because all we're doing in cloud with hot software. And well, if you're a developer, please come and join us, and we'll be building together our feedback form application. So thanks.
Okay, that was it. I know that it will be a very hard choice, and the answer to Mantvida's question and all the rest, if you don't see all of them and if you cannot choose, we are videotaping everything, so it's live stream now, and afterwards, of course, we will try to put the videos if we don't get lost them as we did in Agile Day. But we'll put videos so you can watch afterwards. But of course, now is the point for you to choose where you want to go and create your agenda. So thanks for all presenters, and we'll be back here at 11 here, or open space at 11 exactly we start. So.